Hi, my name is Jessica Jerky and I'm a third-year biochemical engineer here at the University of Georgia. And today I'm going to make bread in a bag with you. So biochemical engineering uses a process to make something, and today we're going to use a recipe, which is like a process, to make bread. And we're also going to use a microorganism, yeast. So first, we're going to put 1 cup of flour into a bag, and then we're going to put 3 tablespoons of sugar, and then 1 packet of the rapid rise instant yeast, and then we're going to do warm water. And it has to be warm because, like I said, yeast is a microorganism, so if it's too hot, then it'll kill the yeast, so we don't want that. So you pour it in, and then you gotta take all the air out of the bag because the yeast is gonna eat the sugar and then it's gonna fart, which makes the bread. So now we're gonna make sure it's all the way sealed and we got all the air out, and then you're gonna mix with your hands in the bag. And then you're going to let it sit for 10 minutes. So now that it's been 10 minutes, as you can see, there's a bunch of bubbles that came from the yeast eating all the sugar. So now we're going to take the bag and put it back in the bowl. And we're going to open the bag. We're going to add 1 more cup of flour. And then you can smell the yeast when you open it too. You add 1.5 teaspoons of salt. And then you add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And you're going to pour it in. And then you're going to seal the bag again. And get the air out. And then make sure it's all sealed, and we're going to mix it again with your hands. So now you're going to open it again. And you're going to pour 1 more cup of flour, and then seal it again, get all the air out, and mix again. So now it's getting thicker, kind of like the bread dough. So now that it's like more doughy, you'll take it out, you're going to knead it, which means you're going to mix it with your hands and then roll it around with your hands. And then you're going to put down on parchment paper or flour so it doesn't stick. And then you're going to cover it for 30 minutes and then put it in the oven on 375 for 25 minutes, and then you've got bread.